Welcome back to my channel. My name is Caela. My sign name is Caela. And today we are learning winter signs. So, the first one we're going to be learning is winter. I love this sign because it's like this. It's like you're cold. You learn like the difference between the signs that are kind of similar by the context of the sentence. So yeah, winter. Then snow. Snow and rain are the same, but snow is like, and then rain is like aggressive, or like light rain, but this is snow. You kind of move it back and forth. Ice is water and then like this. So this is sign for water and then ice. Ice. Snowman is fun. You literally do the sign snow and then sign man. So it's snowman. Snowman. Okay, so then you have, my dog is eating something, great. Then you have coat is coat. Coat. Where's your coat? And then gloves is easy, it's just glove. Glove. Gloves. I wear gloves in the cold. I already did cold. This is kind of cold. And then winter. It really depends in which context you're saying. And then Christmas is Christmas. You have to do the C. Christmas. And then holidays. Valentine's Day. I know it's in February, but that's still the winter. There's a lot of different things you can do for Valentine's Day. You can literally do like love day or like a little heart day. It really kind of just depends on what like you prefer. Then hot chocolate. It's hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Then ice skate is ice skate. Ice skate. Do you guys like to ice skate? I don't. I always fall and it's cold. And then scarf is just scarf. You literally like pretend like you're doing the act of putting a scarf on. Mine is kind of like halfway to your head and I have to put it more. Okay, great job. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Come and subscribe and like and everything. Please do not leave hate comments. But yeah, my dog has just probably been in the background the whole time being crazy. So sorry. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.